Hello students, this is Adarsh and let's study about animal tissue. That is the part of the chapter tissue in your biology. Now you should know this that mainly there are four kinds of animal tissue, that is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. So these are the four main kinds of or four major types of animal tissue. Now let's study about the first type of animal tissue, that is epithelial tissue. And just for your extra knowledge, that this epithelial tissue is also known as covering tissue, okay? And it consists of a single layer of cells covering the surface of the body or several layers lining body or cavities and organs, and it performed a variety of functions including protection, absorption, excretion and secretion. Now, on the basis of number of cell layers, epithelial tissue can be of two types. That is, first is simple epithelium and second is stratified epithelium. So simple epithelium means it is of single layer, and stratified epithelium means it is of two or more than two layer. So here is the diagram showing simple epithelium and stratified epithelium. So in simple epithelium you can see it is of single layer or one layer, and in its stratified you can see it is more than two layer. Now epithelium is again divided into several kinds, that is squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated and glandular. Now let's try to study about them. The first is squamous epithelium. It is simply a flat and thin cells with no intracellular spaces. Simple squamous epithelium allows substances to either easily diffuse through the cells or to be filtered through them. Next is columnar epithelium. It consists of cylindrical cells. It is found in the lining of stomach, intestines, and it facilitates the movement of nutrients across the epithelial barrier. Now next one is glandular epithelium. It consists of modified columnar cells. It is found in the sweat glands and tear glands to produce their secretions. Next one is ciliated epithelium. They are most common in nasal and respiratory passageways and are one of the main reasons that mucus flows and carries out dead cells. Now, these ciliated epithelium contains cilia that can either help the cells move along the tissue or can help debris or waste move along the surface of the cells. Okay, next one is cuboidal epithelium. It is found in the organs that are specialized for secretion, such as salivary gland and thyroid follicles, and those that are specialized for diffusion, such as kidney tubules. Next is stratified epithelium. It has epithelial cells lined up one over another. It is found in the epidermis of the skin, the lining of the mouth cavity and esophagus or food pipe. Okay, next is pseudo-stratified epithelium. These cells are columnar but tall and thin. All cells rest on the basement membrane. Now, what is basement membrane, students? You should know it is a thin, fibrous, non-cellular matrix that separates the lining of an internal or external body surface from underlying connective tissue. And the unique appearance of pseudostratified epithelia occurs because the tall, thin cells intervene. So, thank you for watching.